Hello,
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm also doing good, thank you. And what is your name?
My name is Sahiba and I am from India. What about
Sahiba,
you?
nice to meet you. My name is Celine and
Nice to
I am
meet you
from
too.
South Africa.
Oh, wow.
Have you heard about
Okay.
South Africa before?
Yes.
Awesome. And tell me about
Yeah.
yourself. What are your hobbies?
I like reading and painting.
And painting. Awesome. What do you
Yeah.
like to paint?
Nature.
Nature.
Yeah.
Awesome. And what books do you like to read?
Mostly Islamic religious
Awesome.
books.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you ever read books like Harry Potter or things like this?
No.
Okay. And do you
Yeah.
ever watch movies or series?
Yeah.
What
Yes.
series do you like to watch?
Actually, I like Pakistani series.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
do you live with your family or do you live alone?
I live with my family.
Awesome. And do you have any pets at home?
Pets?
Yes, like a dog or a cat?
Yeah. No, not dog. And cat. Cow.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
And what is your favorite animal?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Awesome.
Yeah.
I also love them. They are very cute.
Yeah.
And tell me about India. What city do you live in?
Northern part.
The northern part. Okay.
Yes.
And what do you usually do in the week? What are some fun things to do in India?
Actually, in this time, here is a lockdown. So I'm staying in at home right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you enjoy staying at home or do you miss going outside?
Yeah, I really miss.
Me as well. And how long is the lockdown for?
2 months, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the situation at the moment with coronavirus in India?
Yes, a lot of coronavirus in here.
Okay. And have you
Yeah.
been vaccinated yet?
Sorry?
Have you been vaccinated yet for coronavirus?
No, I think no.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am still waiting to get vaccinated as well. I will only have it in October.
Okay.
And what else can you
Okay.
tell me about the city?
Sorry?
Is it busy?
Speak again?
What else can you tell me about the city? Is it busy or quiet?
Yeah, busy.
Busy.
Yes.
And what do you usually use to get around? Do you drive a car or ride a bicycle or walk?
No, nothing.
Oh, nothing?
No, yeah.
So when you go to the shops, how do you usually get there?
Fruits and chocolates.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What is your favorite fruit?
Food.
Yes, what is your
Fruit.
favorite food?
Food or fruits? Fruit.
We can do both. Fruits and then food.
Okay, fruits. I like banana and mango. And food. Like I like biryani and chicken. So much.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And I also enjoy banana. I have them every day.
Oh.
I also really like strawberries.
Okay. So,
And yes?
what's your profession? What are you doing?
So I finished studying in 2020, and this year I started working.
Okay. You are a teacher?
Yes, full-time.
Other than that?
Other than that, I usually only go to the gym or go shopping or spend time with my friends.
Oh, wow, gym.
It is very difficult though.
Yeah. Okay.
I am trying to get fit.
Can you tell me a little bit gym?
Oh yes. So at
Girls
the gym,
about?
yes,
Yeah.
usually I
Yeah.
spend 20 minutes walking, or I try to run, but I'm not very good, so I get tired very quickly. And
Oh.
I also like to lift heavy weights. So
Yeah.
I try to gym my arms and my legs and my stomach. I want to stay
Oh.
skinny.
Okay,
I
wow.
eat too many chocolates during the week. I have what we call a sweet tooth. It means I like sweet things very much.
Oh, wow.
So it's bad for me. It's why I have to gym.
Okay, very nice. You're a
And I
gym
also
girl?
gym with my boyfriend. Yes.
Sorry, speak again.
I go to gym with my boyfriend. So we usually go
Okay.
together.
Mm-hmm.
So he motivates me usually to work hard. Otherwise, I would stay at home.
Okay. Okay. You are so strong woman.
Yes, I try to be.
Yeah. Okay, so how old are you?
I am 21. I will be turning 22 at the end of the year.
Oh, wow. You are so young.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I hope to be moving at the end of the year. I want to live in a different city
Mm-hmm.
because the city I live in is very busy, but it is full of people who are studying. So I want to move to a city where everyone is working.
Oh, okay. So, your hobbies?
My hobbies, I enjoy reading and I also like painting. And I love
Okay.
TV.
Okay. So, what's your favorite series?
Movies to
movie?
watch. So
Movie
I
and
usually
series?
like Friends on Netflix. This is my
Oh.
favorite series.
Wow, Friends. Yesterday I watched Friends series.
And did
Only
you
one.
enjoy it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I think I recommend it highly to everyone. It is very funny.
Yeah. Yes.
And
Okay. So.
I also really enjoy another series is called How I Met Your Mother. It is also very funny.
Oh, I will try.
Yes, I also
Okay.
recommend
You
this.
you tell me some good series.
Yes, Friends, How I Met Your Mother, and I like series that are a bit different. I also enjoy something called Mindhunter. This is about crime. I like documentaries and things like this. So this is also very good. A little bit scary,
Okay.
but good.
Okay. I will try.
Yes, and it is based on something called criminology. This is something I studied for 1 year,
Okay.
but it's very, very good. And
Yes.
my favorite movie is called Mean Girls.
Mean Girls. Okay.
Yes. It's also really good,
I
very
will
funny.
watch.
I recommend
Tomorrow.
it very much. You must let me know if you enjoyed it.
Okay. Yeah.
And what else can you tell me about yourself? I think we only have about 10 seconds left.
Yeah. So, okay, time is over. See
I
you
hope to
next
speak
time.
with you again soon.
Yes. Okay,
It was
bye-bye.
nice to speak with you. Bye-bye.
Okay.